Industry regulations and consumer demand continue to push for improved fuel economy, even as less efficient SUVs and trucks remain the popular choice among drivers. Automakers are now looking beyond engine and transmission efficiency to find the next big gains for their vehicles, driving Dana to create an unprecedented advancement in axle engineering. Introducing Dana's ultra-efficient Spicer AdvanTEK axle system that sets a new industry benchmark in axle efficiency. Traditional axle design leads with creating the gearing and then finding a suitable lubricant to meet durability requirements. Dana engineers inverted the design process by focusing their efforts on creating an ultra-efficient gear lube with an ultra-low viscosity, like that of transmission fluid, because higher lube viscosity results in a greater efficiency loss. By starting with the lubricant, Dana engineers had to carefully craft a gear set to be suitable for the fluid without any loss to durability and NVH performance. To take best advantage of this new lubricant, Dana engineers designed a family of all-new axle models that included significant revisions to virtually every critical gear and bearing design feature. In previous designs, engineers relied on a high hypoid offset to maintain contact pressure within acceptable limits. However, that led to high slip velocity, resulting in higher heat buildup and requiring thicker lubricants, thus losing efficiency. Simply decreasing the offset will reduce the slip velocity, but will result in contact pressure beyond the capacity of the material, causing failure. To reduce efficiency robbing sliding velocity, Dana redesigned the gear set entirely, and using an offset near zero, was able to achieve both the optimal slip velocity and contact pressure. To maintain strength and durability, the gear face was widened, and nearly a dozen features were optimized to ensure solid contact pattern for minimal spin and torque loss as compared to the competition. To minimize break-in losses and ensure the best possible NVH, Dana used a trade secret gear finishing process. This allows for the smoothest possible finish of the gear face without causing efficiency-robbing friction or micro-scarring when compared to competitor gear sets with just a coating applied. Similar to how reducing the offset increased the contact pressure in the gear set, changing the gear design increases the load placed on bearings. This required Dana to redesign the bearing and pinion configuration to ensure overall durability and NVH performance. An additional advantage of the AdvanTEK's ultra-efficient lube is that it is also used in the rear drive unit's clutch, which helps keep it cooler, thus more efficient than running the clutches in traditional oils. The AdvanTEK differential design is scalable and transferable. It can be used in anything ranging from subcompact vehicles to SUVs to full-size pickups. All these changes resulted in a sophisticated axle technology that, when tested on the WHLTP drive cycle, demonstrates a 45% reduction in energy loss when compared to a typical competitor product, and a 30% reduction compared to the best-in-class product. Dana's ultra-efficient Spicer AdvanTEK axle system achieves an average fuel economy improvement of approximately 2% across all torques, speeds, and temperatures, a remarkably high achievement. Only with this dedication to innovation was Dana able to create a product that far surpasses competitors and earns the recognition of best in class.